Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings so you can change Windows behavior immediately. Press Windows plus I, choose System, then Focus Assist. This is where Windows hides the eye protection toggles. Once in Focus Assist, make sure automatic rules are off so changes apply instantly. Some rules re-enable protection. You're doing this to stop interruptions being suppressed or altered. Now, choose the correct mode, off priority only, or alarms only, so you can confidently proceed to the next. Next, you'll remove the visual filters Windows may call eye protection. Open Display Settings from System. This is where night light and color filters live. Turn night light off and clear any schedule so blue light reduction stops. Then open color filters and switch it off. If an accessibility filter is active, it can look like eye protection. Once done, check nearby apps like F, Lux, or GPU control panels. Make sure they're disabled too, so color and warmth return to normal. Finally, you verify nothing else enforces eye protection. Look in the System Tray and Task Manager Startup tab for third-party programs such as F, Lux, Night Light clones, or GPU utilities. Disable or exit them. Restart Windows to ensure all settings take effect, and then test with a white background. Colors should be neutral. If you still see tinted output, update or roll back your display drivers, because driver-level color profiles can override Windows settings. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.